Hey you guys, I just wanted to get on here really quick and show you guys the inside of my Walkman and why this thing is so darn special and exactly what's going on inside here when I'm listening to music on it. So here we have the case, and here we have the inside. Now, I want you guys to pay very close attention to this area, that gear right there, and and that right here, because that right there, that is the motor. And so this, the band that's attached around the gold shaft here running underneath this is attached to this motor. So I got some batteries inside. This is what's going on inside every single time I'm listening to a tape. You see that? Isn't that neat? They just don't build them like this anymore. I refurbished this myself. I had some help with the belt, but other than that, I refurbished it myself. And I've had it out of its case for longer than I'm comfortable with, so this concludes the short video for what's inside the Walkman, and I'm gonna put it back together.